Welcome to Projectcubicle, your go-to resource for professional growth, tech trends, and career-focused training. In this video, we're diving into a beginner's guide to SAP certification training. What it is, who it's for, why it's valuable, and how it can open doors in your career. Whether you're brand new to SAP or considering certification to level up your role, this guide will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. What is SAP? SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. Originally developed in Germany in 1972 by 5 former IBM employees, SAP has grown into one of the most widely used ERP platforms across industries. It helps businesses centralize data, automate processes, and manage areas like finance, production, logistics, HR, and more. In fact, companies like Microsoft and IBM rely on SAP every day. With over 450,000 customers worldwide, SAP enables organizations to handle massive amounts of daily data, efficiently, accurately, and securely. What is SAP certification training? SAP certification is a globally recognized credential that validates your expertise in SAP systems. With over 130 different certifications, SAP training is structured across 3 levels: associate, specialist, and professional. As companies increasingly rely on ERP systems like SAP, certified professionals are in higher demand. SAP certification isn't just for one industry. It's used across finance, supply chain, IT, HR, logistics, and more. Training includes everything from basic navigation and functional modules like FICO and MM, to technical areas like system customization, programming, and advanced analytics. Who is eligible? There are no strict prerequisites, but having a background in related fields is recommended. These may include information systems, computer science, finance, human resources, business administration, operations management. SAP certifications are available in functional tracks for business users and technical tracks for developers and engineers. Some roles, like business analysts, often blend both. To pursue higher-level certifications, such as professional, you usually need to complete the associate level first. Benefits of SAP certification. So why get certified? Global recognition. SAP certifications are known worldwide and respected by top employers. Career growth. It opens the door to promotions, special projects, and new career paths. Skill validation. You prove you're capable of working in complex ERP environments. Increased demand. As SAP adoption grows, so does the need for skilled professionals. What jobs can you get with SAP certification? SAP certified professionals work in nearly every industry. Some of the top roles include Business Operations Specialist, Project Management Specialist, HR Manager, Financial Manager, SAP Consultant or Developer Companies. In tech, healthcare, banking, manufacturing, government, and even retail are hiring SAP professionals to streamline their operations. How much can you earn? Let's talk numbers. Entry-level SAP professionals earn between $58,000 and $80,000 annually. With a few years of experience, salaries can reach $95,000 to $140,000. Professionals with MBAs or who work in federal or tech sectors may earn even more, up to $159,000 in some roles. How to get SAP certified. Here's how you can start. 1. Choose a certification. Go to the SAP training shop and pick a course. 2. Enroll in online training. Many companies and platforms like Coursera offer courses, including the SAP Technology Consultant Professional Certificate. 3. Take the exam. Purchase your exam subscription through SAP's Certification Hub. You get 12 months and up to 6 exam attempts. Once you pass, you'll earn a digital badge, proof of your SAP expertise that you can add to your resume or LinkedIn profile. How much does it cost? SAP certification exams cost around $217 per exam, or $543 for 6 attempts over a year. That flexibility allows you to retake or try multiple certifications during your subscription. So, is SAP certification worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're starting your career or aiming for a senior role, SAP helps you build relevant, future-ready skills. From better job prospects to higher salaries and global opportunities, SAP certified professionals are leading the way in today's digital business environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Projectcubicle, hit that like button, and leave a comment below if you're considering SAP training. And don't forget to check out our other videos on CRM systems, business tools, and tech certifications to keep leveling up your career. See you in the next one.